Hello everyone, after 3 months, our equipment is finally ready. The cabletraymachine with 2-in-1 uncoiler handles, uncoiling, leaving and feeding in one go. This is a 6-ton pneumatic punching provides sufficient power to ensure sealed processing. The equipment has outstanding precision. The cabletray-forming machine is practical and efficiency in configuration. And the integrated wallboard processing structure makes forming more accurate and stable. Equipped with a sharing device, it completes the cabletray processing from start to finish in one stop, which is convenient and reliable. If you need, please contact us.